Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video I'm going to plant this lovely blueberry bush in my container. This is blueberry juke. It is a bushy upright deciduous shrub and it can grow up to 2 meters tall. It has small oval leaves which turn red and yellow in autumn, and it produces cylindrical creamy white flowers followed by blue edible fruit which ripens in mid to late summer. So as you can see, it's already grown nicely. It's already a meter tall and it is in this deep container. So I'm going to plant in this container where I have got ericaceous compost. So basically blueberries like to be planted in acidic compost, acidic soil. So you may have trouble planting them in ground if your garden soil is not acidic and it's rich in clay, or it's a more on alkaline side, then blueberry bushes will not thrive in that kind of soil. They love acidic soil, so they need to be planted in a soil which has like 5 to 5.5 pH. So I have got this compost here in this container. This is nice big patio container, and I can keep this blueberry bush permanently in this container. And basically I have made a hole in the middle of the container so I can plant this root ball, which is kind of deep. I want to plant it at the original soil level, so I don't want to plant it too deep. And blueberry bushes like to be in a spot which is part sun to part shade, so they will thrive if it's sunny, but they can tolerate a part shade position as well. And they need to be in a sheltered spot so they are not disturbed by wind too much. They like to be moistened, so you need to keep an eye on. You don't want the soil to get dry, but they don't want wet feet as well. So keep checking on the soil. If it feels dry, you need to water it thoroughly, and you can feed them with ericaceous compost, acidic compost, and acidic feed so they can take up the nutrients which they need. So that's all for planting a blueberry bush. They are very easy to grow in containers, and they produce this nice juicy sweet fruit which can be enjoyed throughout summer. They produce the mature plants can produce like up to 20 pounds of fruit in one season. So I have planted my blueberry bush and I hope it will grow nice and tall, and we will harvest some fruit, maybe not this year, next year. So I will keep you updating about its progress. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.